Karnataka government has initiated an auditing and verification exercise to identify ineligible beneficiaries receiving the 2000 rupees monthly assistance under the Gruha Lakshmi scheme through direct benefit transfer. The government says the move is intended to remove beneficiaries who have died or no longer qualify for the scheme, while the BJP has alleged that it is an attempt to deny benefits to eligible women. Gruha Lakshmi is one of the 5 guarantee schemes announced by the Congress government. Under the scheme, the women head of a household receives 2000 rupees per month. The government also introduced free electricity of up to 200 units per household and free travel for women in state-owned buses under its guarantee programs. Karnataka State Guarantee Schemes Implementation Authority Vice Chairman and an MLC, Dinesh Gooligowda, said that around 1.24 crore beneficiaries are currently receiving the monthly assistance. He stated that around 1.95 lakh of the initial registered beneficiaries have died, but due to technical reasons, payments are still being credited to the accounts of some deceased beneficiaries. He said he had earlier urged former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to make the submission of a life certificate mandatory and has now requested Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar to conduct an audit to remove deceased and other ineligible beneficiaries. According to him, as of March 2026, the highest number of deceased beneficiaries was reported in Belagavi, followed by Bengaluru Urban, Tumkuru and Mysuru, taking the total number of deceased beneficiaries identified across the state to 1,95,224. Opposing the verification drive, leader of the opposition, R. Ashoka, accused the Congress government of betraying women beneficiaries. In a post on X, he said, before the election, it was Gruha Lakshmi. After the election, it has become Ineligible Lakshmi. He also criticized the proposed audit and the reported biometric verification process, alleging that they would harass women and claiming that the Congress party had used women as a vote bank during the May 2023 Assembly elections. So viewers, will beneficiaries be required to submit a life certificate or undergo biometric verification? If so, how will the process be made convenient for them? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.